story? You're telling something to Lola. You want to tell something? You want to tell story to Lola? Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Ow, ow. Hello, my love. I love you so very much. Oh, my love. Oh. Yes, yes. And then? And then what happened? Uh-huh. No. Oh. Uh-huh. Lots of arm movements, huh? You're talking like an Italian. Oh, the Italians, they talk with their hands, you know. But you're Swedish. Uh-huh. Yes. I love you. Ay, no, darling. No, sweetheart. No.